Welcome back, Modified Crew. I'm your daily driver, Mark Herman, and today, this video is actually going to span over a few weeks. I figure, you know what, we got to tie up this FRS. We got to get it completely legal. Basically, I just want to show you what the final processes were of me actually getting this car registered, with a couple surprises which I did not know about eBay to come. So go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get started right after this intro. All right, guys, we're in the FRS. We're about to take off to go get the FRS inspected at San Bernardino Special Division CHP or something like that. Now, when you take your car into this kind of place, what they do is they actually do disassemble parts of the car, such as the airbags you've installed, things like that, and you have to bring paperwork for everything you've replaced. And they're hunting for it, guys. They do their research. They have teams that actually research all this stuff, so you got to make sure that you have everything covered. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and head over there right now. Hopefully, cross our fingers, all goes well. If not, I'll keep you posted after I get out. All right, guys, I just got out of San Bernardino CHP division or whatever it is, and the FRS failed. Now, they went ahead and checked my airbag paperwork, and apparently the VINs have to be on the paperwork itself, the invoice and or receipt. I had it with it. One of them actually was not provided to me, so I failed on my steering wheel. That's the one that he did not provide to me. And the other one is for the dash. Now, he did give me a VIN, but the VIN was for a blown airbag, guys. So they actually check the VINs and make sure of the car that you're getting in front. So you guys got to pay attention to that. But the cop did let me know a big thing that I wasn't aware of, and it involves eBay. So I will let you guys know right after this ad. Do you drive a Lexus, Toyota, or Scion? Yeah. Do you put a lot of money into your car? Just find that you always want more? It's like you know me. I have the solution to all your problems, and it's right here. Please tell me. I want to know. I need to know this. The TRD Toyota Racing Development Lanyard. This thing is high quality. It is super soft, rugged, durable. Makes your key look great, and you will never lose it. Anyways, I love these things. I bought one for myself, and I think you guys would love them too. Description is listed below, and the purchase of every one of these goes towards future builds on Modified Crew. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing your next episode. All right, guys, thanks for bearing with me with that commercial there. So what's going on is the cop told me, or police officer let me know, that approximately 85% of airbags sold on eBay are actually stolen. And that doesn't leave me with a good feeling, because odds are one or two of my airbags might be stolen. So I need to find out what's going on, and I will let you guys know here shortly. All right, guys, it's been a couple weeks, and here's the lowdown on what's going down. So basically, the police officer at the CHP told me that about 85% of the airbags are stolen, and 1 out of the 2 of my airbags was stolen. All right, so the guy wouldn't provide any VIN. When I called him out on it and threatened to report him to CHP, he tried deleting everything and bailing. Anyways, he would not give me my money back, and I had to have eBay buyer protection step in. And after that, they did. I got my money back. I went ahead and bought a new airbag for the steering wheel, and I'm about to go ahead and install that. Now, the one for the dash, that ended up working out. I got him to put the VIN on the paperwork, or receipt or invoice, so I should be good on that. So let's go ahead and get that airbag installed on the steering wheel right now. So here we are back at CHP again. I'm about to go in and hopefully this time we pass this inspection. So fingers crossed, let's go and get into it. I can't record in there for obvious reasons, but I will let you know as soon as I get out, and see you guys in a sec.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, we got out of the CHP office, right? And it passed. It passed, guys. Yes. So now I have to go back to the DMV, give them all this information, and then they give me a certificate of inspection. That's what they gave it, but I can't show it to you because it's got all my personal info and whatnot. But you take that to the DMV with the rest of your paperwork, and I will get my plates. Another thing that I found out is you only have to do this once when you title a car after it's been titled as salvaged or detitled or whatever. So it's when you're retitling the car. So you don't have to go through this every time you need to do smog or anything like that, or even when you sell the vehicle. It's just when the car needs to be officially titled. So basically that's what's going on. And so tomorrow I'm gonna go hit the DMV and we'll get plates on this bad boy.
The next day.
It is a good day. Went to the DMV. It's the day after I went to CHP and we got it registered. It took a while and a lot of hoops to jump through, but you know, with me doing this, I could show you guys like what to expect. So you walk in fully prepared. So I'm happy to do it. You know, it was a waiting game and I'm glad I wasn't really on a rush for this vehicle. So yeah, it's completely registered. I just put the plates on and I am super stoked. So next thing we could do is start, you know, modifying it, or, you know, make the changes that we want to do to the car. So we'll stay tuned with that. All right, guys, that's gonna sum up the series of getting this $2,200 FRS back to stock and fully registered. Now, on the next upcoming episodes, you guys can look forward to us balling on a budget, as you might say, as we are gonna do some DIY modifications to this car that really bring out the aesthetics and beauty of the car, and we're gonna do it on a very low budget. So anyways, you guys can look forward to that, and that'll be coming up. Anyways, if you guys like what we're doing here on Modified Crew, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.